brisk. It comes with bell pepper, red onions, root tissue, butter with over cream, like a ground brisk, served with buttermilk biscuit. Yeah, I'm getting that, man. And coffee and cream with sugar. Honey, wheat. What are you getting?
Pancakes.
Oh, pancakes with bacon?
Probably.
Yeah.
Cup of tea.
Pancake with bacon, with green tea. Yeah.
We just
So
sit on the outside having breakfast.
Yeah, so you wait for breakfast to come and then you guys gonna see what we get in. Alright, so you guys gonna see our menu. Bye. Shrimp. This is good. This is good, man. I think I'll move to New Orleans just to come and get this here. Yeah. We're moving down here. You with me? To join me. We're moving down here next week. We're moving down here just for this here. Just for this. Hey guys, this is Pew, man. We just finished our breakfast here. It was good. I had the barbecue shrimp with a grist. Oh man, it was off the chain. It was good. The eggs was good. The coffee, everything I give 100. And then not only that, on top of the food, the manager came up and asked if everything is okay, how was the meal. I found that was so nice. To actually see the manager walking around and finding out from customers how is the food. You can't go wrong with that, man. And beside that, my waiter, he was awesome. He made sure everything remained full. My coffee, I had like 4 cups of coffee. He just keep coming and make sure everything is good. Guys, you can't go wrong with that. Whenever you guys come to New Orleans, man, you have to come and visit. The restaurant name again? Let me get the name of the restaurant again. It was on something here. Come and visit the Ruby Slippers. Guys, you come down here to New Orleans, I think the French Quarter, come to Ruby Slippers, man, for breakfast, lunch, brunch, dinner, anything, man. They are here for you, and the food are good. You guys will enjoy the food. The breakfast was good, man. You know, it was good. As of now, they open until 2 p.m. guys. 2 p.m. They open until 2 p.m. So you guys will come in here, you know, come in the morning, have your breakfast, have your brunch. Again, guys, the food is good. The food is really good. I enjoy it. You can't go wrong. All right? This is Pew. You have a great one. Talk to you later.